Overhead cables in Thailand are often a real tangled mess as more and more wires get added over the years, and local birds have learnt that these leafless trees are a great place for nesting. Sparrows, munias, pigeons, doves, miners and starlings all put them to good use, often with more than one species living together in a large grassy ball. Here's a quick survey of telegraph pole nests along 500 metres of back street in Petchaburi town. The birds seem to like these busy roads, a secure nesting site with all the human activity keeping predators away and providing food waste to scavenge. Plus, of course, the more people there are, then the more tangled the wires are. This particular road is the best I've found. On average, it has birds nesting in poles every 30 metres. This pole is probably my favourite, with scaly-breasted munias living in the basement. Tree sparrows nesting around the back, and pied starlings in the main dwelling. It's even got a nice little touch of greenery.